like the layout of the flat, like that was the reason to book the flat. I was the first one to book the flat over here.
The best part was the window. The area is quite spacious and it's very windy.
We like the designing part a lot, and the designer have taken a kind of care, like in order to maintain the sunlight, natural sunlight and the ventilation of the flat. That was the reason to book this flat over here. Like when I booked the flat, I was a bit skeptical because like this is my first flat and I'm investing like so much, and like I had the faith on the builder, like the kind of quality like which is going to produce me, and I'm happy with the kind of outcome. Very happy with the outcome what he has given it to me, because the quality, because the support from the builder and the kind of commitment, whatever they have committed, they have given it to me, and I'm happy with that.
युनिक ग्रुप हा मी पाहिलेला आहे. इनफॅक्ट त्याच्यावर मी वर्कआउट केलं होतं. मी ऑलमोस्ट या एरियामध्ये चांगला थ्रू आहे. इन अँड आउट सगळे माहिती आहेत मला या एरियामध्ये कुठले बिल्डर कुठले सोसायटीज काय करतात वगैरे वगैरे. नवीन कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स कुठले येणार आहेत. ऑलमोस्ट 10-15 कन्स्ट्रक्शन साईट्स फिरून झाल्यानंतर मी या साईटवर आलो होतो. युनिक ग्रुप त्यांच्या प्रिन्सिपल्स, व्हॅल्यूज आणि कमिटमेंट्स टोटली फुलफिल करणाऱ्या गोष्टी आहेत. त्यांनी आत्तापर्यंत ज्या पण गोष्टी केल्या आहेत, कमिटमेंट्स दिल्या आहेत, त्या अप टू मार्क्स फुलफिल केलेल्या आहेत. नाही, आम्हाला जेव्हा पोझिशन्स घेतले, जेव्हा बोलवलं गेलं वगैरे, आणि जे एक्सपेक्ट केलं होतं आणि जे युनिकवाल्यांनी जसं सांगितलं होतं, त्यांच्या बॉसेसने असो किंवा बाकी कोणी, ते सगळं आम्हाला जसं तसं मिळालेलं आहे. थोडंसं डिफरन्स असणार आहे कारण ऑलमोस्ट 1 वर्ष आधी बुकिंग केलेल्या आहेत, तर सेम गोष्टीच त्या लायबल होत नाही. थोडं इकडे तिकडे डिफरन्सेस असतात, पण त्यांनी त्या क्वालिटी मेंटेन करून असं म्हणायला हरकत नाही की अजून इम्प्रूव्ह केलं आहे त्यांनी त्याच्यामध्ये, आणि आम्हाला त्या गोष्टी दिलेल्या आहेत. तर पोझिशन वॉज व्हेरी गुड ॲक्च्युली. युनिक ग्रुपमध्ये ऑलमोस्ट फिरलोला आहे. त्यांचे जेवढे पण प्रोजेक्ट्स झालेत, सिल्वर मिस्ट असो किंवा त्यांची अभिलाषा असो, गुडविल निर्मिती असो, एरोपोलिस असो, आता जो युनिक प्रोसेस जो त्यांनी हे केला आहे, युनिक प्रॉस्पेरो, तो एक प्रोजेक्ट जो मी बघतो आहे. प्रत्येक प्रोजेक्टमध्ये त्यांनी काही ना काही इम्प्रूव्हमेंट्स दिलेल्या आहेत. क्वालिटी ऑफ वर्क इम्प्रूव्ह केलेलं आहे, जेणेकरून जे लोकल किंवा जे डे टू डे ॲक्टिव्हिटीजमध्ये लागणाऱ्या गोष्टी आहेत त्याला त्यांनी इम्प्रूव्ह करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे. त्यांच्या ते नवीन अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स येत आहेत. ब्रिझा म्हणून एक येतो आहे झेस्ट काउंटीमध्ये, जिथं माझ्या ऑलमोस्ट 2-3 मित्रांनी बुक केलेलं, त्यांना आम्हीच प्रेफरन्स दिलं होतं. कारण प्रत्येक प्रोजेक्टमध्ये काही ना काही नवीन ॲडेड आहे. जेवढे पण प्रोजेक्ट होतात, ईच अँड एव्हरी प्रोजेक्ट इज दे आर ट्राइंग टू इम्प्रूव्ह, ऑलरेडी इम्प्रूव्ह, असा प्रकार आहे.
हम लोगों ने काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोग हमारा फ्लैट जब परचेज़ करना था, हम लोग यही लोकेशन में रहते थे, रेंटेड फ्लैट पे रहते थे. तो हम लोगों ने काफ़ी सर्च वगैरह किया आसपास की सब लोकेलिटीज़ पे. सो समहाउ वी हैव बुक्ड ऑन सम अदर सोसाइटी, बट व्हेन यू केम टू नो अबाउट द यूनिक प्रॉस्पेरो दिस साइट, सो द location and the connectivity and the developer profile was good. So we have booked the flat in Unique Prospero. कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी वाइज अगर देखने जाए तो कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छा है. माइन्यूट डिटेलिंग किया हुआ है सब जगह पे. लाइक लॉबी देख लो आप, सो लॉबी है, देन ईच फ्लोर का भी पैसेज है और वाइट पैसेज रखा हुआ है. जो डिटेलिंग है बहुत अच्छे से किया हुआ है. ऑल्दो इट्स ए स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट, इट्स नॉट ए बिग प्रोजेक्ट, इट्स ए 1 acre ऑफ द स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट विद द 79 flats, बट वॉट द एम्यूनिटी दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड विद द स्मॉल प्रोजेक्ट, इट्स phenomenal. And regarding the bathroom, regarding the fittings and all the amenities what they have provided for the security access, and which is good. And it's if you talk about the surrounding area, the all the rate what developers gives for the same features and the facilities, the Unique has given us the same features and the facility with the 10 to 15% lower than the market rate. And we are very proud owner of the Unique Prospero, and we are now the family, and we hope will invest further on their new ventures, upcoming ventures.
We have booked 2 BHK flat and our flat number is 906 at Unique Prospero site. And the one thing which I would like to bring up over here is about the way how well planned and the way the security features have been put up over here, which is the main thing which actually grasped my attention. Even though I have visited near about 15 plus projects all over in near about in the circumference of 15 kilometers, but this is the only site it just has stolen my heart. Since the day one, we loved the area how it was built up, and the way how they constructed the entire plan in a structured way, which is like mind blowing. And I never found such a building and the I would say the amenities they have provided in the cost which they are offering now, which is like dominating upon other builders, I would say, in Pune. During the first site, I felt about like the way how each and every space is being utilized, and the living area which these guys are bringing up is something like amazing. As I said earlier, though we have visited several projects of 2 BHK where we hardly get 580 or 600 square feet, which is the living area, and it's like more complicated way, structured way, and over here it's like the space these guys are contributing is amazing. I would say it's worth the penny which we have spent so far, and I hope and even the way these guys are locating the area is something like amazing. Even these guys, and I am aware about the many projects about Goodwill as well as the Unique, and this is amazing. And even we know this will be the one of the upcoming area where we'll be getting more residential projects over here, and we have the DY portal, which is very convenient for our kid in the future. And we have one more plus point is about we came to know that the remaining plots has been taken by the big projects in the Pune. So it definitely it will gonna be one of the best investment, and this is being our first home, and we have made a right selection. That's what I would say. Trust is something which I never had a hope on any builder, being frank, because the way I have got a feedback from other builders in Pune, even in other cities, even in Bangalore, we were there part of the Bangalore. So I don't want to take any of the names, but while I'm making a booking over here, I never had a single hope that you guys can hand over by October or before. It was like I was 50-50, so I never had a hope. Even I said my family that if we get the portion by end of this year, that will be great for us. But when we visited over here just as a normal visit, then we came to know from Sapna that everything has been done and we will be getting the portion in a couple of weeks. This is something like amazing, and I am surprised, and I am not sure whether she's really conveying the truth or she is just making fun out of her. Then I have to visit your head office, which is there in the Tank Road. Then I came to know that yes, you will be getting a mail in another couple of days, and it is something. And even when I conveyed this to my office colleagues, they were just made fun of me, like how it is possible, because they given you some another 2 months. It is not possible in Pune that they had handed over and before a month. So it is something like I don't have any word. It's something like you kept the word, and you never given any hope that many things will come, and it is just in the I would say in the purpose of just making the advertisement of yourself. You never said any false commitments to us. That's amazing. Whatever we have heard since the day one, if it is not there, then it is not. That's what you said. It is not like you said something, it was not there. We never had such kind of disappointment overnight.
I must appreciate the quality, the service during the whole procedure, like starting from the having some inquiry for the flat and right to the possession. So they have really, supported each and every time to us. They have given a proper service. So I really appreciate that thing.
लेकिन यहाँ पे एमिनिटीज़ बहुत सारे अवेलेबल है, उन्होंने बहुत सारे फैसिलिटीज़ भी प्रोवाइड की है. जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका, वैसे ही हुआ है.
One thing I would like to share here is the procedure of parking allotment. So that was the thing which attracted me. Maybe here is the only society which did not have any crisis for parking allotment. Everybody was like first come, first service basis. First service they have given the parking. So that is the part I really liked. I have came to Unique Group with a reference of my friend, and when I booked it, I came across the services, I came across Unique Group quality. So I really appreciate it, and then I have being very happy with the Unique Group's quality. I referred my friend. He has even booked a flat in the same scheme, and he is also very happy with the quality and all. Overall Unique Group. They have given barbecue section on the rooftop plus garden. So even if we have some function in a society, small function we can have even in our clubhouse plus rooftop we can have dinner and all. So that's a great space utilization, roof utilization, I must say.
जास्त वेळ तर लेडीज किचनमध्ये टाईम स्पेंड करतात, तर मला सगळ्यात जास्त या युनिक ग्रुपचं किचन फॅसिलिटी म्हणजे किचनमध्ये त्यांनी जसा स्पेस दिलेला आहे, छोट्या जागेमध्ये खूप साऱ्या फॅसिलिटीज अवेलेबल आहे. परत ड्राय टेरेससाठी लाईट व्हेंटिलेशन चांगलं आहे. इवन आम्हाला 6-7 वाजेपर्यंत लाईट लावायची गरजच पडत नाही. म्हणजे सांगायचं तात्पर्य की लाईट व्हेंटिलेशन इज गुड.